Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to stop high internet data usage and high background data consumption. First step is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Background Intelligent Transfer Service, change Startup Type Disabled, click Apply, click OK. Open Windows Update, stop the service, change Startup Type Disabled, click Apply, click OK. Second step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, click do SVC. Open Start, change value data to 4, close and exit registry editor. Third step is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Connected Network, click Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Turn on metered connection. Fourth step is click Start, Settings, click Store. Click App Settings, turn off app updates, also turn up video autoplay. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.